Mike here. Welcome to the video. Welcome to the shop. It's been a while since I've done a review. So when I was starting to build my now workshop shed up north, I needed a circular saw. So I rent the Lowe's. So once I got the Lowe's, I decided to look at the Craftsman line. I liked my Craftsman miter saw, brushless miter saw, so much that I decided that I was going to look at the Craftsman circular saw. So when I started looking at the Craftsman saws, they have two. They have a V20 that's got brushes, and then they have a V20 RP. So I decided to look at the RP, which is supposed to be 75% more power than the standard V20. The R stands for runtime and the P stands for performance. So that's what I bought. You'll notice that I also have a Diablo blade on it. I always use Diablo blades. It's a 5,000 RPM saw. It has D-dents at 22.5 and at 45 that make finding them, and they're very accurate. The first thing I did when I got the saw was check the blade for square to the and it's perfect. And it comes back every time perfect. It has a nice grip. The grip is form-fitted and a nice handle. Set the depths with the knob here. You can set all the depths there. Change the blade. It comes with, if you can see it down in here, comes with an Allen wrench to change the blades. And it's got a spot to keep it so you don't lose it all the time. And it's magnet. Keeps it in there so it don't come off. Again, this is the Craftsman 7¼ inch brushless saw. I really enjoyed using it when I was building the shed that I'm working in right now. It's got a light that lights up. There's a light in here that lights up when you energize the motor. It's got a brake to change the blades with, right here. It's got a lock and unlock button on both sides of the handle. And I use it with a 4 amp hour battery. So let's make a couple cuts and see how it does. So I'll make a couple cuts on a 2x4 and show you how well it cuts. Cuts through it like butter. Make a couple cuts on this 3/4 inch pressure treated plywood. No problem. You see the cuts are super sharp. They're square. Just, I don't know what else you could ask for in a saw for a homeowner. Then that's all right there. The light shines in the right area. It's got an automatic brake. The minute you let off the trigger, it brakes. There's a little light down in there. Easy to change. Weighs about 7.5 pounds. And I'm using a 4 amp hour battery. The Craftsman Brushless RP circular saw. Strongly recommend it. I'm not sponsored. I just know a good buy when I see it. It's solid. It's made well. And it cuts good. Hope you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the shop.